Ricky the red motorbike lives in the garage with a shiny red helmet and a big red bag. He revs up his engine, boom, 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 and zooms down the road with a zoom, zoom, zoom. Red bike, what do you say? Vroom, 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 let's ride today. Clap your hands and rev 'em up tight. Ricky the red bike is a blazing delight.
He races past fire trucks parked in a row, past red apple orchards and strawberry fields. Go! His wheels spin like lightning, his headlight shines bright. Ricky the red motorbike is a glorious sight.
At the end of the day, when the sun goes to sleep, Ricky parks in the gutters, not a sound, not a peep. He dreams of red roads and adventure so grand, the fastest red motorbike in all of the land. Benny the blue motorbike.
Benny the blue motorbike loves the open sky. He rides on the highway and waves hello high.
His body is blue like the deep ocean sea. He zooms past the lighthouse as happy as can be. Blue bike, where do you go? Vroom, 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 through the wind and the snow. Wiggle your fingers, zoom, zoom, zoom. Benny the blue bike flies through the room.
He splashes through puddles on a rainy blue day. His blue wheels go spinning all the way down the bay. He honks at the seagulls, ick, ick, ick. They flap and they flutter and leap, leap, leap.
At nighttime, old Benny parks under the stars, his blue body gleaming like faraway Mars. He hums a blue lullaby, soft, 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 while the big silver moon sails gently aloft. Gracie the green motorbike.
Gracie the green motorbike loves the countryside. She zips through the meadows on a warm summer ride.
Her fenders are green like the fresh forest trees. She weaves through the clover and bumblebees. Green bike, what can you do? Vroom, 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 I can do it all for you. Jump up high and pump your fist. Gracie the green bike, you cannot resist.
She rides past the cornfields tall and bright, past pumpkin patches in the golden light.
The frogs on the lily pads croak and cheer.
Here comes Gracie, our green bike dear.
When the fireflies twinkle at the end of the day, Gracie rolls slowly into her leafy green bay. She cools her green engine with the evening dew. The greenest little motorbike America ever knew. Sunny the yellow motorbike shines like the sun. She lights up the whole road for everyone. Her engine goes buzzing like a big bumblebee, the brightest yellow motorbike your eyes will ever see. Yellow bike, shine, shine, shine. Vroom, 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 all the sunny day is mine. Stretch your arms out big and wide. Sunny the yellow bike loves every ride.
She zooms past Sunflower Farm standing tall, past lemonade stands by the big shopping mall.
She honks at the school bus, toot, toot, toot.
The kids on the bus shout,
Sunny's so cute. When thunderclouds gather and hide away the sun, Sunny just keeps riding, the party's not done. She turns on her headlight, bright gold